What a gang! I'm back with another crazy, awesome video right here. Here's your boy Charger 17 3.0. You already know. If you don't know, you know now. We're about to do something. Already doing something. Oh, you guys can figure, right? Can figure out, right? Got the old one. And ta-da! Got the carbon fiber look. Let me spread up. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Got the carbon fiber look here, y'all. Yeah, this is what we're working on. As you see, we're working on black over there, carbon fiber black right here, and stuff. You know, I couldn't leave it just without my little driblets, right? You know I had to. You know I had to. It was a matter of time. It just when. When was I going to do it? Alright, I'll tell you the little tools you guys need. You're definitely gonna need your drill to drill your holes. I say, what was this? You need a 7mm to get the little these little guys here off, as you see. To get them off, of course, this here was taken off by with that and stuff. Got my little tools there. Now, the factory one got the bigger holes. For some odd reason, I'm gonna try to do that, like especially on these two on the ends, for the plastic ones. But for the ones with the bolts, I ain't gonna go too big because this is already small. With that said, I ain't gonna bore you guys with me. Doing this is a little slow. I'm still like a rookie up under here. You probably would think I'm not. There go my little star. Say what up to the YouTube. Hi. Or to the Charger 17 3.0 gang. Yeah. Yeah, he said yeah. Yeah, I know. All right, with that said, let me get to this so we can see the sun and the next day how it looks with more bright. Hopefully it's nice and bright. I can't ever see. Yeah, I was excited, so you know, I already know I'm out here doing this. With that said, get back to y'all when we're done. Yo, what up, gang? We back. Finished a little late. It was a little dark, so I'm like, I'm not gonna record back here. It was the lighting wasn't too good, so I said I'm gonna wake up, get out here, get freshened up, get out here and show you guys what the rest of this video was. Because you know, you saw at the beginning, now this is the next day. It's already put together, the rear diffuser, carbon fiber look. Woo! Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It's that carbon fiber. Got it. Nice. Look at that. Let me zoom in. You guys have no idea what we're looking at. Look at that. Ooh. Got the nice carbon fiber rear diffuser back here. Kind of goes with my license plate. A little bit of carbon fiber in the back. It's probably about all the carbon fiber I'm putting on this car. As you know, like I said, everything is already settled. What I need. So it's looking mighty ferocious. Look at that. Sits pretty nice and flush. Like I said, it was a little late. I managed to put it all together. The crazy part is, you know, the factory hose was the hose on the other diffuser that come with it. They're big, right? I managed to get close to them with my drill bit. Close. Not as like the same size. Like probably about that much close. I would say little. It was about that size. Now you remember, I used the same bolts I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The plastic ones that's on the 2 ends. But I know the 4, I used the same bolts that came with it to go right back in the same holes. You know, that's aftermarket versus the factory where it's lining up. It got a little hectic where it was like, wait a minute, I drove these holes perfect. I had to like do a little, widen it a little more. I would say a tad, little bit more, just to get there. Because you know this aftermarket stuff is a 50-50. It'll fit perfectly. 50-50, it doesn't. Or they say it fits and it don't really fits with your car. You know, that's the things, the risk that we take when we buy things. But this thing fits. It goes on there. This is a 2020 Scat Pack. Actually, it fits. Yo, I'm telling you, this thing looks nice, y'all. Look at that. With blacked out tail lights. No, I got to remove that chrome back there. I'm telling you, the only thing is going to be chrome. No lie. That's about the only thing I'm going to have back here. Like, this here is all going to... Like I said, like in the previous video, I'm not in a rush to move it. It looks subtle because it's all, everything looks shiny and gloss looking back here. Even the real diffuser making it look gloss. It looks more tough back there. You don't even see no gray. Oh, you know why they Dodge even do that? You know, they make us... Now, if they sell them with the real diffusers looking like this, boy, yo, they screw up the game. I'm telling you. Who's going to buy it if your car's going to come with it? Nobody. Nobody. I mean, they give us the 2 dual pipes or the dual or the 2 single tip pipes there. But I'm telling you, who's going to buy it if your car is going to come with it? Nobody. I know I ain't. If it comes with it, I ain't got to. Like, look. I might do something with the spoiler. It looks like it's about the same. Like I say, it look like it, like up here, it looks more up a little more versus the other one. It might not be, or it might just be me. I might put the worker bill on there like I did the other one. I'm not sure. I might just leave it like that, like it's a low look. And like a little too much on the back end here, be overkill. Like this rear diffuser gloss looking. It's already overkill. Look at the body, flush with it. Gloss, 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 gloss. Man, I'm telling you, it looks nice, y'all. Yo, it rained again. I don't know if you guys can tell. Look at this. Look at this. Of course, these freaking acorns or these guys are tearing up. They're gearing up for the winter. They getting their food. Or they eating wherever the fuck is this in there. Flonk it. Flonk it. Flonk it. Listen to the car. Settle. I ran out earlier, not too long ago. Yeah. I just wanted to get back to you guys because I couldn't finish my video last night because it got a little too dark and everything. And that's definitely dark. You ain't gonna see that. It got dark. I had to be on the ground, had to get the lights and stuff. But that because I had to, prior when I said I'm gonna get back to you guys when it was supposed to, and it was still a little daylight out here, just before it got dark, I ran. Must have had me do something, so you know, had to take a stop, pause my little game here. What I was out here doing. It was pretty nice again. Feels good. I'm good. I'm shaded out good. You know, you like, dang, he cleaned up pretty good. Yeah. I got my shorts on. This was the first design. And I got my shorts on with the shorts. Yeah, I had to turn you guys sideways. So it's gonna look funny when you guys watching this. Yeah, that was it for this video. Just to show you guys that how it looks on there. you know, preparations you gotta do. Because these aftermarket ones, they don't come pre-drilled. They come with, let you know where you gotta put the drill holes at and everything. But other than that, it's a easy fit. Easy fit. I mean, sticks out just like the factory and everything. Like I said, it's aftermarket, so it's not gonna look like 100% like the factory one, because you know the factory one don't come with this. I'd sell this if you guys are watching this. If you sell that, well, don't even just sell it. Put it on your models, the Hellcats, the Scat packs, maybe the RTs, and if you do like a limited edition for the V6s, I would say can go in there. Like the old one was a black top edition. Yeah, you could put that on there. You could put that on there. Make it the same color. I'm giving you guys some ideas. Make it the same color as the spoiler. Don't have it that offset type gray. Make it the same color of the spoiler. You know, you guys don't gotta do the carbon fiber. Just make it the same color as the spoiler. I'm telling you. When we see that looking like that, when you buy it, boy, you ain't gotta spend money there. Don't even gotta bump up the cost of it. Just because you guys add that. It's just a little small it's all plastic on there. So you guys, I know how companies are. You guys wanna, oh, we gotta up the price. No, don't up the price. Because I would say, how you're molding it, you could probably throw some little lines on the back of there. Okay, I'm giving you guys some ideas. You know, that's what I'm doing, giving you guys some ideas. Because we know Dodge, the guys watch these videos, manufacturer, and people that come up with the ideas for these cars. Look, like they say they drop these SRTs, they lower them. You look around, a lot of these guys lower their cars or bag their cars. They kind of stop you from like lowering it already. It's already low. You just lowering it, hoping the wheels fit. See, the manufacturer, they do it a certain way. When we do it, we kind of fuck up some shit. With that said, it's Start 17 3.0. We are out to the next vlog. Y'all, the reason why I got it facing this way, because when I look out my window, I want to look at that ass back there. Look at that. I just made it look crazy. And then when I get the front squared away, whenever that comes in, squared away too. I mean, it looks good. And I don't know if I would have did the black tips, because they kind of would have like throw it away, offset looking at, I don't know. It took me a while to just have the chrome ones looking like that, and then I painted them black and everything, and yeah, there's things like that, you know, I still gotta enjoy the car the way it is. You know, even though I put my little driblets on it. Yeah, but that's it. I'm out to the next vlog. You enjoy yourselves. Enjoy watching this video. Hopefully I inspire you guys. I'll give you guys some ideas what to do to yours. If not, hey, share the video. Who knows, maybe friends. Somebody wants to do something to their car. If they ain't already did it, they can watch it. If they ain't get the carbon fiber look, this is the carbon fiber rear diffuser. I got it off, I know I'm ending the video. I want to say Amazon it was. Amazon. A lot of things come in the mail when I'm ordering. If I can't find it on one side, I find it on the other. It's Amazon or eBay. I definitely want to say Amazon. It's the carbon fiber rear diffuser. I think it was meant for, I know it said 2020. I'm trying to see what the other year. I want to say in between here. 2020 or, fuck it. I know it said 2020 on there. you know, I'm gonna say the 15s and up with their body style, with this rear diffuser, the back end, the rear diffusers, with the two dual pipes back there, not the two quads like the V6s, the duals. Yeah, that's only 100 something. It's not breaking the piggy bank or nothing. It's still good, reasonable price. I mean, it's only a few more dollars versus the non-sporty-ish look. It got the lines and everything, but it's not like a carbon fiber, no gloss. It just looked like the regular diffuser you take off and then bolt on the other boring gray plastic one. What else? Before I get off this video, I won't forget nothing. It's like a little, I want to get off the video, y'all. Trying to figure out what else I want to leave off. Because, you know, somebody might comment later or action for it. And I'm trying to like put everything in the video instead of me writing it down. Because I still don't remember half of the stuff if I got put in the description. Yeah, I think that's about it. I want to say it's probably come from Amazon. I don't know the way things are going. You might get it within a reasonable time. If not, it might be a few more days longer. But it will be here. You guys probably like, damn, Jay, you just got the car recently. Damn right, just got the car recently. So, just got it recently. So with that said, yeah, I mean, this ain't like, I can't stop looking at it. It is on my car. It's the carbon fiber rear diffuser, y'all. This bad girl looks beautiful. I mean, you guys, mine is my license plate. Got carbon fiber around it too. It's all carbon fiber, as you probably say. Damn, Jay. Yo, it's crazy. The carbon fiber, everything flows the same way, same direction. Boom, boom. Yeah, it flows the same direction. That's crazy. That's black. They say it's black, but to me it looks more subtle. If I ain't have the license plate frame there, yeah, I could say it's like a blackish. It almost look like similar to the hood I have. You know, I still got the carbon fiber hood. If somebody around here wants it, local only. I'm not shipping things out. We can come pick it up. We can bolt it onto your car. But then we gotta figure out how we gotta get your hood to you. I don't know. We can figure things out. But I say local. It gotta be the newer models of the, I would say the RTs and the V6s. I'm not sure about if a Scat pack might want fit it. It might be a little different offset. But if you're interested, definitely DM me on my Instagram. Only local, no out of state, just local. 'Cause I still got the hood. That's the only thing I'm actually will be selling from previous. Other than that, everything was given back to the other car that came with the car, so, and the old hood too, everything went. With that said, I'm ending the video. You guys are looking at this carbon fiber rear diffuser. It looks pretty mighty explosive. Look at that. This is like my thumbnail right here. Few minutes in ending the video, I got my thumbnail. For real. For real. It looks nice, right? Alright, we ending the video. You guys are looking at this carbon fiber rear diffuser. See you guys to the next video blog, or however you call it. See you guys next, whatever. Peace. Stay cool. Definitely share, thumbs up, comment free will. You know it's 2020, we going up. Have fun, y'all. Peace.